Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error with error code 0x887A0005, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this annoying error on Call of Duty easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Visual Studio AIO. You're going to go ahead and download all of the C++ softwares. Just click download, select any server, click start download, and then go ahead and install those C++ softwares. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to search for your platform. So I have it on Battle.net. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on Battle.net, click open file location, click open file location here as well. Right click on it and just make sure this is set to administrator and then click OK here. And after that, you're going to open Battle.net up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this icon here, and then you're going to go into settings, and then you'll go into game settings then. And after that, you're going to click onto additional command line arguments, and you're going to write here -D3D11, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Black Ops 7, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.